Imagine effortlessly pulling real estate data from Zillow straight into your Google Sheets, giving you a competitive edge in property analysis. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to scrape Zillow using Makem, formerly known as Integromat, and automatically populate your Google Sheets. First, create a free Makem account if you don't have one already. Next, create a new scenario and search for the HTTP module. This will be our tool to interact with Zillow's website. Select the Make a Request module. Now, configure the HTTP module in the URL field. Paste the Zillow search URL you want to scrape. For the method, choose Get. You might need to add headers to mimic a real browser request to avoid being blocked. This often includes a user agent header, which you can find online. Add another module and search for Parse HTML. Connect the data output from the HTTP module's body to the HTML content field in the Parse HTML module. The crucial part is extracting the data. Use CSS selectors to target the specific elements on the Zillow page you want to scrape, like property addresses, prices, and links. Inspect the Zillow page source code using your browser's developer tools to find the correct CSS selectors. Now, connect the Google Sheets module. Choose the Add a Row module and authenticate your Google account. Select your Google Sheet and the specific worksheet you want to populate. Map the extracted data from the Parse HTML module to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. For example, map the address to the address column, the price to the price column, and so on. Finally, run your scenario. Makem will now automatically scrape data from Zillow and populate your Google Sheet. Remember to adjust the CSS selectors if Zillow changes its website structure.